Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, and today I am sharing with you some quick toilet and bathtub cleaning tips. Yes, I know that sounds a little bit strange, but the other week I did the shower clean, which will save you up to 90% of your time each week for the next 3 years. If you haven't watched it, you need to go watch it, and some of the tools that I absolutely love to clean with. So definitely go and check that video out. And I did have like a whole other video, which was the toilet and the bathtub, but I did have to cut that because the video was going to go on forever. And I like to keep my videos under 15 minutes. So yeah, this is why I'm sharing with you today as like a part 2 to that video. So I hope you guys all enjoy it. And of course, if you do, I'd love you to stick around, subscribe, and of course turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. And let's jump into the bathroom. I'm going to share with you my new cleaning technique of how to do the bath. So if you don't regularly use the bath at all, one of the lazy things that I actually do, well, used to do, is just dust the bath. So that is if I was doing it like once a week, and then once a month I'd give it a good deep clean. But yeah, I was finding that if I just dusted it once a week, you wouldn't even notice that it was even dirty whatsoever. So yeah, that's just something that I did just to save myself time. And I know a lot of people, their baths are dust collectors, so that's just a bit of an option for you if you want to be super lazy. But yeah, we're going to use the cleaning stick that I got, and we're going to give that a shot at cleaning the bath today.
Oh, I keep sinking into your blue, yeah, I keep sinking into your blue, stars are...
Okay, and this is how the bath area is looking. It is looking pretty good. I've noticed I've found a few little bits that are not coming off the bath anymore. It's like scratched or something, but check out the fitting. See how good the vinegar works on the fitting? And that's just with the glass cleaning cloth, and it's just literally amazing how it comes out. So it's such a good way just to polish your fittings. And it does the whole wall at the same time, which is cool because if you're like me and you got a kid that splashes in the bath and likes to paint the walls. So now I'm going to show you how I deep clean a toilet. So I was not going to do this bit in my house because my toilet room is just an embarrassment. It has not been finished. Renovations, it works, but it just hasn't been finished. So I'm still going to show you. I'm going to suck it up. I'm going to show you for this video because I have goodies that I need to show you. Hey, and welcome to the toilet area where it is just a toilet. There's no paint on the walls. There's no floor down. And I really didn't want to show you guys because it doesn't look the nicest, to be honest. But I wanted to show you a couple little hacks that I do to clean the toilet, and also how I sort of deep clean it a little bit, like a mini deep clean. So let's jump into it. Okay, so I'm not going to actually clean the toilet today because I think everyone knows how to clean the toilet, but what I wanted to show you is just like how I quickly, when I do clean it. So obviously I put the solution in there first, getting up in under the rim especially, and then I spray the whole toilet and then I wipe it, but I actually wipe it with toilet paper. So the reason why I wipe it with the toilet paper is because then I can throw it out and put it straight into the toilet when I'm done. So if you've got a good toilet system, this will work, and it will only work with good quality toilet paper. I do clean a few places and they use like the cheaper ply toilet paper, and I find that it breaks really easily. So yeah, that is just one way. I know a lot of people probably use toilet paper towel, but this is ready and already in the toilet for you. So that is one of my little hacks. The other thing you could do if your toilet like really stinks and you don't know what it is because your toilet's actually clean, it might actually be coming from this tank area here. So that is what I'm actually going to show you today. That is how we're just going to give it a bit of a deep clean. So obviously you're going to clean the toilet as you normally would. If you do have toilets that has like really hard stuck on poo in the toilet, like it's been there forever, for years and years, you may have bought a place or rented a place that was just there, then I have heard from the commercial cleaners group that you can use this stone to actually clean the toilet. So you do want to have like thick gloves on, long gloves, because you do need to leave the water in the toilet when you're cleaning it. But I've seen some before and after results and they are really good. So I do believe and I do trust in the commercial cleaners of what they're saying, and that's what they do. So yes, we are going to just empty this. So to empty it, excuse all the plastering dust, we're just going to turn the tap off the toilet. So when the toilet is flushed, like we're going to flush right now, I've just put toilet paper down, so hopefully that works. We're just going to empty this top tank. So we'll just flush it again till it's empty. And see how we go. So I'm just going to put my cleaning vinegar in. Now I know you can't see, but the water is disgusting. All right, now look at the colour that's going to come out. It'll be pretty gross. Yeah, that's what was inside the tank. So you're just going to have to let it go through and run the water, let the water run, and just keep doing it until it's all clear and flush back through again. And then maybe give this another bit of a clean. But you can see the colour, like that was in the tank. That was the bottom of the tank, like of what was in here. So that's what's making your toilet stink. If it's all clean, then that's probably the issue you've got, or some septic issue. Now to clean the toilet bowl, I actually just use this Domestos, and that's just how I clean the toilet. So I just pop it around the rim area, like so. And I usually just let it sit, but as I said, I've only just cleaned the toilet. I'm just giving it a re-clean because it's had that gross stuff, whatever's in there in it. And then I always do this. I always clean the brush like this as it's flushing, just to rinse off any of the soap, and then I just leave it to sit under like so. So that way, all the gross water and stuff doesn't get stuck. So if you've got one of these toilet brush holders where it's got like a cup in it and it's all gross and gets stinky and gunky, that this will stop it from happening by just simply draining this off, and it's just going to be so much more hygienic and smell so much better. And another hack you may have seen, which is a toilet hack, is to put the essential oil inside the toilet roll. This is all over TikTok. It's a really old one I saw many years ago on YouTube. So yeah, it has been around for a long time. I have done it and it does work. It does make the room smell nice. So yeah, definitely give that one a shot. The other thing you need to consider is how you're actually washing all your washcloths. So after you've cleaned the bathroom, the best thing that I would advise you to do is use a antibacterial wash that you can actually wash your clothes in. That way it's killing any nasty bacteria that may be around, because athlete's foot and all that sort of fungus can be killed by this solution. So that is my tip for you guys as well, because you actually don't know what other people have. Especially if you go swimming and that regularly, and kids are going swimming, you have no idea all those things can be picked up easily at the swimming pool. Now, if you guys have any tips for me on how to clean faster, I would love to know, because obviously just starting out my own cleaning business, I want to do it as most efficiently and effective ways as possible, and I've sort of just focused on the bathroom at the moment because it is the room that has taken me the longest to clean. So I want to get that area down pat really well. So if you have any tips for me in any regards on any part of the house, then definitely leave them in the comments below. I would love to see. Okay guys, so that is pretty much my tips for today. Now, a little bit exciting for you guys, if you guys follow me on Instagram, I have made these into reels today. So I haven't been able to make the toilet one into reels because I obviously dipped my phone into a bucket of water during this cleaning process. Yeah, we won't even go there. So the other ones will be on Instagram. hopefully, if my phone recovers. That way you'll be able to actually re-see these without having to watch this whole video, unless you want to watch it all again, and I don't mind at all. But yeah, that will be all on Instagram for you guys to enjoy, and I will be putting up heaps more reels in the future as well. So guys, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and of course if you did, I'd love you to stick around, subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos, and I'll catch up with you next week for a new video. I'll see you then. Bye.